Good morning, everyone. My name is Amit. I'm going to teach you moral science. Today's topic is work is worship. Let's understand little bit about the story that we will going to understand. In this story, we will understand the importance of manual work. Those countries whose citizens are hardworking and loyal will definitely progress the country. Now in this story, we are talking about George Washington, who was a great general of America. Now what does general means? General is an officer of high rank in the army. Now in spite of being a general, he always preferred to help his soldiers in all possible ways. He never considered any work as low or inferior or below dignity. That means he did his work with passion, without any discrimination, with calm. What happened? Once he was going somewhere on his horse. He saw that some soldiers were trying to move a heavy log of wood. What does log means? A fragment. A fragment of wood. But one of the log was so heavy that it could not be moved at all. That means some soldiers were there who were unable to move that log because logs was so heavy. Now standing nearby, their officer was just giving them verbal instructions. Now that time George Washington got down from his horse. He said to the officer, "The soldiers are unable to move this log." Who said to whom? George Washington said to the officer, "These soldiers are unable to move this log. They need additional help. Why don't you help them?" he said to the officer. The officer replied, he said, "I'm not a soldier. Perhaps you don't know me. I'm a corporal, their officer. It is not my job to carry the logs." George Washington did not say anything to the officer. He took off his coat and joining the soldiers in their effort to move the log. George encouraged them and helped them. The log moved. The soldiers thanked the stranger. Now the corporal saw everything from a distance. That means he was not helping their soldiers at all. After the log had been moved, he came near the stranger and asked, "Sir, you look like a respectable person. You should not have joined the soldiers like this. Such manual work is suitable only for these poor soldiers and not for people like me and you." Who said to whom? The officer said to George Washington. Now George Washington smiled and said, "If you are keen to know my name, I am George Washington. I am your general." Now the officer said nothing. "If ever you need my help, please do remember me," George Washington said to the officer. You can very well imagine the reaction of the corporal now. We should not feel shy in doing any manual work. he said to the officer. No work is low, he replied to the officer. He gave an example that when King Yudhishthira had performed the Rajasuya Yojana, Sri Krishna had taken up the responsibility of looking after the shoes of the visitors. That means Lord Krishna had taken up the responsibility very well without any discrimination. He just looked after the shoes of the visitors very well. Now there is another example he gave that you might have heard the name of Ishwarchandra Vidyasagar. He was a learned man and a great social reformer. Once he was standing on the railway station waiting for a visitor. One person was crying. Coolie, coolie. Who crying? One person. Since there was no coolie at the station, he was getting angry. Who got angry? That person. Ishwarchandra Vidyasagar offered his service to him. That person had come to meet Ishwarchandra Vidyasagar, but he had never met him earlier, so he could not recognize him. Ishwarchandra gladly carried his luggage up to the Tonga. When that person came to know the reality about Ishwarchandra, he felt greatly ashamed, because Ishwarchandra did not told him anything about who he was, and he just helped him without any discrimination, without any thinking about his post. He just helped him because there was no coolie. He made himself coolie for him. There is another example of the Mahatma named Mahatma Gandhi, who gave great importance to manual work. Now he said, in his ashram, he used to do all his works, including sweeping and washing. He used to do his work, sweeping and washing, himself, without anyone's help. He did everything himself. At the last, he used to say, work is worship. Because if we are doing any work politely, sincerely, without any discrimination, it will act like a worship, which we are doing of God and Goddess. George Washington is a great general. He understood the importance of manual work for the country. He was very hardworking, he was very loyal, and he was a very indefatigable person. I hope you understand this chapter. Thank you very much.